Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable extensions in the Microsoft Edge browser, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions and manage extensions. So, how can you add extensions? All you need to do is click on Google Web Chrome Store, then find the extensions either from this clutter and add them, or let's say that you need a VPN extension. So search for VPN and it will list all the VPN extensions. And then you can pick up any good VPN extension that you would like. Okay, so this is how you can add extensions on the Microsoft Edge browser. Okay, all you need to do is click on add extension and then it will appear here in this list. Okay, so this is how you can add the extensions. And to disable extensions, simply turn the switch off for them and remove them. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.